What up, dudes? Taking a quick walk around the Alpha Wolf. This is the 26DBH bunk house. As you can see, bam. It's held up pretty good. Had it for about 6 months. It's got 2 entrances, as you can see. One is clearly locked. And there's a puppy. Hi. And a horse. And a goat. You scaredy cat. So I looked at probably 1,000 campers now. And I've definitely seen some things that I like about this and some things that I don't. Pretty awesome camper so far. Alpha Wolf really packs a lot of punch for the price. There's some things that they do super good. We did throw 100-watt solar on the top, 2 6-volt batteries. It does have the power stabilizers, power jack. These stairs are incredible. Love the little Alpha Wolf symbol there. These glass doors look amazing. There's the fireplace. It's a little dirty in here. The kids like to camp out here sometimes. Like I said, it's got the big bunks. Just one big super sled. Makes into a bed, of course. This does fold out for maybe a small kid's bed. Something like that. Awesome pantry. Wish it had the 12-volt fridge. That's the only thing that I'd change probably. And awesome fan. It's got the Max Air fan, which is incredible. Pretty awesome, I have to say. Bathroom's pretty nice, I would say. It's got a nice little sink, nice little tub shower combo. But we've really enjoyed it. It's about, I think it was like 7,500 max gross. Let's take a little look here. Slam, or what do you call them? Friction hinge doors. Let's see, 7,600 max gross. It's probably 55, maybe 5,800 empty. I think it's got 49 gallons for the fresh. And while we're here, let's take a little look at the new Can-Am I bought. It's a 1000R Outlander. And this is my old 4-wheeler, the King Quad. And this is my girlfriend's 4-wheeler on the back, the Kodiak. Took it up in the mountains yesterday. It's pretty fun. Used the old Silverado. It's got 10,600 miles on it. It's a 2019. But I'm gonna unload the trailer today. Just thought I'd take a little walk around for you guys. Hope everybody's doing awesome on this Monday. Peace.